So we have with us Ms. Momita Das, Solution Architect, India Color Tokens. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us today for Technology Sabha.
Thank you.
So we have heard a lot about breach ready segmentation. So can I please know from you how you can you elaborate on this topic with?
Definitely. So, breach ready segmentation is something where we say that even if an attack happens, we will still safeguard you. And when we say we'll safeguard you, we will not only make sure that you kind of prevent attacks, but also when the attack happens, how to make sure that your environment and your business runs. So, with breach readiness, we ensure that your business continuity always goes.
Thank you, ma'am. And how has been your experience at Technology Sabha since you have the first time participant here? So what brought you here at Sabha?
First of all, I would love to say that it's been lovely. I mean, the people whom we have met, the sessions which has been there, and the entire environment, very positive, extreme learnings, and a lot of interactions. What brought us here? Yes, I think so. Being the first timers, it was an eye opener that India government is doing so much into cybersecurity. And when we say that, India government is developing on cybersecurity, it opens up a lot of opportunities also. Maybe if we have even more sessions like this, even more events like this, it is not only good for the entire economy, but also to motivate people, our next generation, to come into this field. So, yes, I mean, my experience has been great. And being part of it for the first time, what brought us here is that excitement to learn more, the excitement to talk to everyone, and to always keep learning.
Sure, ma'am. And any major key takeaway that you have from any of the sessions that you have heard?
Yes, always be vigilant. You never know how the attacker comes in. The attacker can come through anything. It can be a SMS, it can be an email, it can be anything. But how we are making sure that we are always one step ahead comparative to any cyber criminal, that is my key takeaway.
Thank you so much for joining us today, ma'am.